Hi everybody, welcome to week 4. We're already in week 4, I can't believe it. Okay, last week you finalized your team name, you decided on your final topic, you came up with some ground rules for your group. So this week we're going to start digging into your topic and you're going to start the nitty-gritty of research, and we're going to continue that out for the next several weeks. All right, so let's talk about what we're going to do this week. You've got some reading again this week. The assignments, you're going to do another one of those tutorials, and I'm going to talk more about that in just a second. You have a handout that you're going to work on. You're going to do some searching on your own, fill out this handout, and then you have a small group discussion again where you're going to talk amongst each other and they may come up with some decisions, and you're actually going to work on your Google site this week. And I'll talk about that a little bit more as well. There's also a really cool series called Crash Course, and they're doing a series on digital information. And so I want to have a discussion about that this week. There's several videos in the series. They've only released a few, but we're going to start talking about it because I think it's super timely and it should be interesting. All right, but first, let's talk about that tutorial. So the tutorial is similar to last week where you have the database in this main part of the screen and then your questions over here on the left-hand side. When you're going through this, make sure that you go through every single slide until you get to the very end where you're going to enter your name, your ID number, and then hit submit. By hitting that submit button, I'm going to get a record that you have completed it. I still want you to go into the assignment in Canvas and let me know that you completed it with the text box. That way I know to go look at it and I can see how you did on it. But don't forget to go all the way through it. This is the first week that you're going to be working on your Google site as well, and I want to show you how to get to that. So you're going to log in just like you would log into Canvas. But when you get to this screen, to see your Google sites, it's over here in the lower right corner. So you'll click there. I created them in new Google sites. So you're going to go here and you'll see, here I have all 4 teams because I created them. You'll only see your team's website, and you do have editing capabilities. Once you get into this website, it's super easy to edit it. It's almost as if you're working on a slide presentation, and there's templates over here on the right. There's also a help button, so if you have questions about anything, and I encourage you to be creative because this is your team's website, so you can do the banners or the colors or do it however you want to do it. Okay, that's it for me this week. I hope you guys have a great week. Don't be afraid to reach out if you need help, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.